What a great question. Works for just about everything. I was working on preparing my drawing for this workshop just yesterday and thinking to myself that I would need to update the script for this video because I had planned to say that Orbi communicates using this Orbifor code messaging system simply because it doesn't have a speaker. That's no longer true. As of yesterday, Orbi has a speaker. But it still feels very important to me that Orbi doesn't communicate using spoken human language. And as he likes to remind me, I also think that it's important that I question why I think that. One of the reasons is that it helps me to You're right. I'm jumping in too fast. We skipped introductions. My name is Dylan Brenneis. I'm a Master of Fine Arts student here at the University of Alberta, and this is Orbi. Together, Orbi and I are performing Living with a Learning Machine. It's a research creation performance art score wherein Orbi and I both develop and grow and learn and change from each other, and in response to the experiences that we have and the people that we meet that otherwise we might not have met had we not committed to this strange coupling. One of the questions that people often first ask upon meeting Orbi is just simply, what does it do? Let me answer that by asking a different question, one that is equally relevant to Orbi and to any learning machine that you might encounter. And that question is, what does this machine do to change the way that I think? To me, that is the crux of what Orbi does, is it changes the way that I think about what it means to be human in relation to machines. For example, when I was working as an engineer, I often thought of myself in terms of a machinic metaphor. My body was a machine that housed an elegant control computer. But I'm only just now beginning to see the depth of human experience that that metaphor simply cannot contain. I no longer think of myself as a machine, but rather as a part of a much larger machine.